Me too to go and say that.
I don't know about this one, man. Alright, ready?
Alright, what do you want me to do? It's like this, so everyone's like,
There's one finger.
You have to go, yeah, you have to go like
Sorry.
this.
yes.
Alright, ready? Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot Ian again. The point is to incorporate Ian. I got Ian though.
Wait, do I hit it 3 times?
No.
That's one, like, it's...
1, 2.
You can only do your own so much. Back down again.
So here it goes.
Yeah. Nope.
Back to Alexa, yeah.
This is...
Yeah.
Brush. What if we spread, Mr. Brush? What if we spread a little bit? It's more distinct who you're pointing at.
Yes.
No.
No.
I think it's
Oh,
just
little star.
the rhythm on this. The
Star.
rhythm on this is pretty tricky for a pointing rhythm. Sounds like Twinkle Twinkle
Yeah, I
Little
was just
Star.
gonna say Twinkle.
You know, Twinkle is the same thing.
No, oh no, bum bum.
Bum, bum,
Hey, it's not
bum,
meant to
bum,
No, it's
bum,
not.
bum.
What song is
Maybe
this?
Black
Sheep?
Someone who's musically inclined should do this.
Okay, let's try that. Maybe we should do like a...
Yeah, you do mine.
No, so what is it? We don't know it. Bob Black Sheep.
Oh, Mr. Brush, there's one